Hello everybody, I'm Nick, and I know when I check into an Airbnb or hotel and my personal belongings are outside of the comfort of my own home, that I could use a little extra protection. So I just recently purchased the portable door lock, and it's cheap and easy to use. Let me show you. Enter the device into the door. Wrap the chain around and insert the red metal lock into the first heart-shaped hole where the doorknob is. No one's getting in there. And to remove the device, you simply pull the red lock up and over, open the door, and remove the device. The portable door lock is compatible with doors that open inward. It is not compatible with doors that open outward, sliding doors, double doors, salt doors, or oversized doors. I highly recommend this product for those of you who like to travel. I know for me, when I'm outside of my hometown, it's easy to walk around knowing that my personal belongings are safe and secure inside of the hotel or Airbnb. And for only one small payment, you too can have unlimited security.